your perfume and all your clothes. Take back the TV. It's time to go.
Last week I showed you guys how to do passion twist with only one pack of expression braiding hair, and not only that, I also showed you guys how to like package and sell them and get some extra income for yourself and your family. And 4 days ago I showed you guys how I did my parts, and I got so many requests, like, guys, it was crazy. You guys wanted to see how this hair held up, you know, so I decided to give you guys a 2 weeks update on my hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Loveth. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, like, welcome back, welcome back to my channel.
We're rolling down this freeway. We left the past behind.
Shout out to Nappy Gabby. She uploaded this tutorial showing you guys how she recreated my DIY passion twist, and she did an amazing job. And shout out to Excellent Extensions as well. She also uploaded this video showing you guys how she did her passion twist with only one pack of expression braiding hair, and guys, the outcome was amazing. She also posted like the pictures on her Instagram page and tagged me as well, so I'm going to make sure that I put the links to both videos in the description box so that you guys can, you know, check them out. So today I'm going to show you guys how my hair has lasted through the past 2 weeks, and you know, every single thing I have done to make sure that this hair stays nice and neat. As you can see, my scalp is a little bit flaky and the hair itself is looking a little bit dry, and because I didn't use any form of heat when installing this hair, the texture of my hair was beginning to give way from the texture of the twist or whatever it is. So I'm going to show you how to fix all of that today. But as for the hair itself, guys, this hair is gorgeous. Seeing is believing, okay? This is 2 weeks. This is 2 weeks, guys, and my hair is still looking this pretty. So I'm going to show you guys what you need to do to kind of like maintain your hair if you want to keep it longer. So for my maintenance routine, to make sure that my scalp remained moisturized, I applied my DIY oil. I showed you guys how to do this oil when I was installing this hair, like in the very first tutorial. If you haven't watched the part 1 where I showed you guys how to install this hair and how to do it and all of that, please make sure you check the description box below, because the video is going to be linked, you know, right there. So every 3 days I applied my DIY oil, you know, and just massaged it into my scalp, just to make sure that my scalp remained moisturized all through. After moisturizing my scalp with my oil, I always go in with my like mousse. You can use anyone. Today I decided to use my Cream of Nature, Shine and whatever styling mousse, and I found out that using mousse has a way of taming the frizz and just, you know, blending everything together without me having to use gel. And the second I did that, it just, you know, melted my hair back to the extensions. It literally buried everything together. I don't know how to explain. So after applying my mousse to my hair, the next thing I used to do is, you know, just go ahead and apply like gel to my edges. For that, I didn't do that every day. Some days I'll use my Eco Styler gel, but today I decided to use my Got2b blue gel for my edges. And then the next thing I did was tie it down with this Durag that I got on AliExpress. Guys, this was really inexpensive. I think it was less than $2. After tying my hair down with the Durag, I'm just going to go in with this ORS olive oil Sheen and allow my hair to sit for about 30 minutes. And that's it. I spent $2.80 to achieve this hairstyle, and for it to look this good after like 2 weeks, guys, this is insane. If you've been wanting to do this and sell them to get like extra income for yourself, and you've been, you know, a little bit skeptical, not knowing how the hair was going to turn out, girl, I hope this video has answered your questions. I hope you guys found these updates helpful. If you did, comment down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Till then, bye guys.